Hey, welcome to the What If Zone, and this one was so funny. Another request. Thank you for everybody that's been giving the request. What if you sneezed cum and came sneezed? Now, this one was kind of interesting. So I was thinking, the nose. A lot of things are gonna be happening with your nose if you sneeze cum, right? And I think this goes into more of a pro-choice effect, and women are gonna be able to arouse the men for their cum, because that's how life is born, through cum. So, what I think, if you sneeze cum, the women would have to have these feathers. The feathers are going to be arousing the guys in their nose, and that is how they're going to get their perfect sperm donor. So what if you cum and came sneezed? Well, I would just be a sperm donor.